Hey everyone, welcome to Velour Lash 101 with the new Glue and Go pen. I'm Taylor and I'm here to help you get an education in lash application. This beginner-friendly lash adhesive pen makes it easier than ever to apply false lashes. Our clear formula means no eyeliner skills are needed. You'll be able to apply lashes in seconds. Simply line, lash, and go. It's quick drying and has strong hold, so your lashes will last all day long. It's uniquely formulated with aloe, vitamin E, and green tea. Aloe is known to soothe and moisturize. Vitamin E is known to protect the skin and provide healing properties. And green tea is known to be rich in antioxidants and protect the skin from environmental aggressors. The Glue and Go pen has a precision tip, which means it's perfect for touch-ups on the go. Plus, it's dermatologist-tested, latex-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. Are you ready for the easiest lash application ever? Here are my best tips for the Glue and Go pen. Step 1. Measure and trim the lash band to fit your natural lash line. Trim from the outer corner, never the inner. Step 2. Apply the Glue and Go pen directly onto your natural lash line from inner to outer corner. Step 3. Place the lash as close to your natural lash line as possible and adjust as necessary. Then repeat the same steps on the other eye. Glue and Go can be removed with any makeup remover. This could be a cleansing balm, micellar water, or an oil-free makeup remover like Velour Lash Clean. For the best user experience, here are my fave tips for taking care of the Velour Glue and Go pen. Number 1. Before each use, shake the Glue and Go pen in a horizontal direction like so. Number 2. If you start to get makeup buildup from other products on the pen tip, you can clean the tip with the Velour Lash Clean and Reuse Me cotton pad. Number 3. When you're not using it, close the cap tightly to keep the formula from drying out. Thanks for joining me in our Lash 101 for the new Velour Glue and Go pen. Remember, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply line, lash, and go.